Great stay with complete drinks near Nagoya Station, complete coffee, teas and water. New and clean room. Facilities very nice and useful library cafe. Nice hotel cozy room, and near to everywhere. Couples trip to Nagano highly recommend Comfort Hotel Nagano. Pros: convenient location 10-minute walk from Nagano Station, not too difficult even with 2 large luggages, complimentary breakfast with large variety of food options, very helpful staff who assisted with arranging luggage transport, clean room that is non-smoking, just enough space to open 2 luggage, great value for cost, provides pajamas and items such as chargers for rental. Exceptional great stay. Fantastic hotel and location. Stayed for 6 nights in a double room. Location is a 7-minute walk from Nagoya Station and has a 24 hours mini stop right opposite. Breakfast was lovely with a lot of options. Loved the cafe space that is part of the hotel, providing free lemon water, tea and coffee, but also a nice space to chill other than your room. Highly recommended. Okay, very good. Red heart emoji, red heart emoji, red heart emoji, red heart emoji, smiling face with hearts 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 emoji. Comfortable stay. Located just a short 10-minute walk from Nagoya Station with an abundance of easily accessible shopping centers, this hotel was well worth the stay. I especially enjoyed the breakfast and cleanliness of the hotel. Will definitely stay here again. Great stay with good food. Our stay at Comfort Hotel was exceptional. Room was bigger than usual hotel rooms in Japan and the amenities provided were thoughtful. Breakfast was wholesome and yummy as well. Would highly recommend. Nice hotel. About 10 minutes walk to Nagoya Station. Bus station to Sake is in the corner. Free breakfast is good, and free coffee whole day at the coffee shop is a welcome treat. One improvement though that the hotel can do is to replace already their pillows. It is so thin and has lost its fluffiness. Great good location, close to subway, clean and comfortable.